Yes, I am going to tell you something about Tamil Nadu, my dear. If you have any confusion about choosing your medical college, then definitely this particular video is going to be very beneficial for you. If you are finding for a daughter medical college, if you are finding for your younger brother's medical college, if you are a father, if you are a parent, if you are a student, then definitely this particular video is going to be very beneficial for you, my dear. Why? Because I am going to tell you that how many colleges, how many government colleges in this particular state, Tamil Nadu. Yes, the government colleges in Tamil Nadu, my dear. Everyone's dream to get their medical degree from South India. And in South India, Tamil Nadu is a particular state where medical colleges are everywhere. Definitely, there are two kinds of medical colleges, my dear. The first one is private and the second one is government. Everyone wants to become a government student, my dear. Why? Because there are too many reasons for that. Why? Because the medical facilities, the faculties, and the fee structure is definitely very low, my dear. Right? So everyone wants to become a particular part of this particular college and all. Right? So before starting this particular video, I would like to tell you something about the doctor. Right? The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Yes, this is the most important nature, habit, and you can say manner as well as the quality in a doctor. This particular line said by Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, Gandhiji. So, to do let this video start, my dear, so welcome you to Test Prep Cards channel. And this particular video is going to be very beneficial. Again, I am requesting you, do not stop this particular video and watch till the end. Okay, so let me tell you something more about this particular thing. And before starting this particular video, I would like to just encourage you that one day you will thank yourself for never giving up. Ever in your life, if you are thinking, oh no, this is not my cup of tea, I should have to give up. No. When you find yourself in this particular position, in this particular situation, just determine one thing and just say it once. No, I have to try once more. And definitely you will be successful one day, my dear. So let's get started with the particular college, that is Government Medical College and ESIC Hospital, Coimbatore. This particular college has its own repo, my dear. If I talk about, Coimbatore is situated in about 38 acres of land. The medical college has an attached hospital which has been in existence from 1971 and has been providing dedicated care to patients. The hospital, which had been run by Tamil Nadu state government, has been taken over by the ESIC and is now being run as a 300-bed hospital, my dear. If I talk about the next one, that is Raja Muthaiya Dental College and Hospital, Annamalai University, Annamalai Nagar. Annamalai is definitely a very good place, my dear, and it is well-known place as well. So no need to say anything in detail about Annamalai. Annamalai University is definitely very famous. So Raja Muthaiya Dental College and Hospital, Annamalai, is a government institute. Okay, that was established in 1980, my dear. The college is affiliated with Annamalai University, Chidambaram, and is approved by DCI. It offers BDS at the UG level and MDS at the PG level, right? I have given you a bit about the course detail as well. It is also offered PhD and research level. Admission to the college is based on the entrance examination. And definitely it is well known that yes, NEET again is the examination criteria. After passing NEET, definitely you will be getting admission over here according to your rank and cutoff, right? So I have made one separate video for the cutoff as well, right? You can go to the description or go to the link. Each and everything you will be getting over here in this particular channel. So my dear, Test Prep Card gives you a variety of videos. By going through which these kind of videos, you definitely get to know each and everything about medical colleges, each and everything about engineering colleges, and every information you will get from this particular videos. So let me tell you something about government Kalipok Medical College, Chennai, right? Chennai is in Tamil Nadu, my dear, no worry at all. So government Kalipok Medical College or GKMC is a premier government medical institution in India. The college offers an MBBS under the UG wing and postgraduate diploma, MD and MS in various specialization at the PG level. If I talk about the various specialization, then definitely everything lies over here. If I talk about neuroscience, if I talk about dental, if I talk about gynecology, if I talk about orthopedics, each and every specialization this particular institution covered, right? Okay. Then if I talk about Raja Muthaiya Medical College, Annamalai Nagar, right? So again, this particular college has its own repo, my dear. So the Raja Muthaiya Medical College was established in the year 1985 in the Annamalai University. Over the year, the college has developed steadily into one of the finest medical colleges in South India and has earned a name for itself in the field of medical education. So it is actually very well known, and there isn't any person who definitely don't know about Annamalai University and its group of universities. So if you want to become a particular doctor, right, in any stream or any specialization, then definitely this particular college is a good option. Good option for you, my dear. Yes. If I talk about Madurai Medical College, Madurai, then definitely Madurai is also a good place, my dear. Madurai is also known as flowers, right? For flowers, actually, right? Many flower, you can say, gardens are there in Madurai. It is proud to be the city of Madurai, which is having the history of more than 2500 years. Ma Madurai. Our institution, or you can say this institution, has owned tremendous improvement in imparting higher education in the medical field. It turned the it turns the care for the patients with sophisticated modern technique and equipment got elevated, my dear. If I talk about government Vellore Medical College, Vellore is also famous for CMC as well, Christian Medical College. But apart from Christian Medical College, this particular college has its own repo. But yes, this is government medical college, my dear. If I talk about CMC, that is private medical college, or you can say some part of government shares are there actually, but it is not as much as it is, which is totally proved by government, right? So, this particular institution or hospital site has previously hosted a tuberculosis sanatorium. Yes, TB, right? When plans for starting the college began in 1997, the college began admitted student in 2005. So the medical college is affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University under this particular thing as well. Okay, so if in the list of these particular colleges, then how we left Coimbatore Medical College, Coimbatore? Yes, Coimbatore is also in Tamil Nadu, my dear. And let me tell you something about Coimbatore Medical College. Coimbatore is well renowned and established institution in the country since it start in the year 1966. My God. The college has emerged as the premier institution in the state of to provide an accessible, affordable, yes, accessible, affordable and high quality comprehensive health and development system that meets the needs of the people and Coimbatore and its neighboring district as well. So the student who are in South India, my dear, definitely have a chance to get themselves admitted in this particular institution, right? If I talk about in the list, then definitely I would like to tell you that the third position in this particular list, that ESIC Medical College and Postgraduate Institute of Medical Science and Research, Chennai, right? This particular institution, the ESIC Medical College and PGIMSR KK Nagar is built on the backdrop of the prestigious ESI Corporation Hospital KK Nagar, which has been serving the insured patient in Tamil Nadu for more than 3 decades. The college is in operation since 2013, my dear. Yes, in the list of these particular colleges, if I talk about the second position college, that is Stanley Medical College, Chennai. Yes, this particular college has its own repo, my dear. And let me tell you something about this particular college as well. So, Stanley Medical College and Hospital is one of the oldest and well-known center in the field of medical education, right? So the seeds for this institution was sown as early as 1740. Do you know? 1740. Definitely. Our grandfather was also not born. Right? So, when the East India Company first created the medical department, the renowned Stanley Hospital now stand on the old site, my dear. Right? Okay, let me tell you the first medical college, or you can say in the list of first medical college, not the first in age, my dear. Madras Medical College, Chennai, right? The Medical College General Hospital, one of the premier institute in the country, was started in 16th November 1664, right? As a small hospital to treat the sick soldiers of the East India Company, my dear. It was also untiring inspired effort for Sir Edward Winter, who was the agent of the company that materialized in the first British hospital at Madras, my dear. So thanks for watching this particular fantastic video. If you want to know many things about or more things about medical colleges and all, then definitely do subscribe this particular channel and like and share this particular video. Bye bye. Thank you and take care and meet me in the next video. Bye bye.